about your lizard.
He's so calm. He's so quiet. I like him so much. I can't hardly let him go. But he's really calm.
He's really cute.
He is really cute.
What's it? Look, let me see him.
His name is Fossy. Run away.
Fossy. Put him over here so I can see him.
Fossy, I would like you to meet my mom.
Oh, he is so cute.
Yeah, he is.
And he's so good.
He's so quiet.
Look how good he is. He lets you pet him while he sits on your hand. I've never seen a lizard do that before. They usually run from you.
Well, not this kind.
Not that kind?
No. This one's a city lizard, I guess.
Is he going to climb on your other hand now?
Yeah. I want it. No. Look at the world, little lizard.
Look at the world.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. That's the whole world. The sky, and the moon, and the pollen. Are you used to everything?
He is a good little lizard, isn't he?
Yeah, but there's some paper on him.
I think that's the skin where he was getting new skin. He's shedding a little bit.
Huh?
I think he's shedding. I don't think that's paper.
Why's he shedding?
Where he gets new skin. When he grows, he gets new skin.
He grows so he got new skin.
Don't let him get loose. Oh, never mind. I guess he won't run from you.
No.
Oh, he's trying to climb up your hand again. He don't want to get on your dirty pants. Oh, he looks good on your sleeve.
He's very quiet.
He's very quiet. Do lizards usually make noise?